Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this Christmassy makeup look, and I'm actually obsessed with how the eyeshadow turned out and I'm just in love. So if you want to see how I do it, just keep on watching. So as you can see, I've already got like my face makeup, what's going on because I'm just focusing on more of the eyes today. I'm just going to put my headband on. Look how cute these are! These are from Amazon. Okay. So I'm going to be using mainly the Morphe 15H eyeshadow palette. This is a happy hour palette with a Makeup Forever palette. But I'm only using one colour from this. So I'm mainly using colours from the Morphe palette. I like to sort of use only one palette per eyeshadow look. I don't like to mix between loads of different palettes because then it just gets confusing of what you used. So yeah. So I just want to start off with this palette. So I'm going to go in with Mixer as like a transition shade, which is this colour here. We're sort of doing like a nice browny look. So I'm not using any of the reds, I'm just going to go in with all the browns, but Mixer is sort of like the lightest transition shade there is, so I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. Just building it up until I get the pigment of it that I like. Okay, so I'm going to go in with 5 PM, which is this colour down here. It's quite like a dark colour. It was between these two, but I feel like this one's a little bit too orangey for my like, so I'm going to go with this one. But I'm going to use like the tiniest bit and then build it up. I feel like it's quite a dark colour to go in with next, but I'm going to build it up. So I'm going to use the tiniest bit. Just be really gentle with my brush. I mean, just sort of like the tiniest bits to build it up. So now I'm going to go in with Manhattan, which is down here. I'm just going to put like a tiniest bit on the outer corner and into the crease. So I'm going to use the Morphe M433 brush, and I have been using the M505 brush, just to let you know. Again, like on my hand shaking, tiniest bit. Just gonna dab it on the outer corner. And just sort of blend up through it. Now I'm gonna get some concealer and cut my crease. Don't have much concealer left. I'm going to go for the colour Bubbly, which is sort of like a goldy reddy colour, which is this colour. There's that colour. That colour right there. It's sort of like a goldy reddy colour. And I'm going to sort of start on the outer corner with this one. Oh, I love this colour. How pretty is that colour? Oh my goodness. I'm just going to go back in with a bit of 5 PM, which is that one down there. Just sort of blend it out on the edges a bit and just go through the crease. Anyone else find it more difficult to do their left eye? So I feel like the right eye always goes really nicely, and then the left eye I'm just like... Okay, so I'm just going to go in with the nude colour in the palette and just sort of put that underneath the brow bone. Sort of help blend these colours together a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go down to the lower lash line with 5 PM. Just sort of keeping that on the outer corner. And then I'm going to go in with my lid colour, which is the colour Bubbly. So now I'm going to go into the Makeup Forever palette I have. This is the 9 Artist Shadow palette. That's literally what it says. And this is what it looks like. It's just loads of shimmers. So basically, what colour was I going to go for? Yeah, so basically I'm going to go with this colour here, which is like a champagne-y colour, just for my inner corner. I'm sure if you guys have other palettes you could find the colour similar to this, but this is just one that I found that I liked out of all the palettes that I have that I was scavenging through. So yeah, I'm just going to put this on the inner corner. Oh, it goes so wow with these colours. This colour goes so wow. So wow, oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to do my lips next, which you know is weird, but I want to finish with my lashes and my mascara. Okay, so for my lips I'm going to use the Bourjois Rogue Edition Velvet. I think these are the matte lipsticks, yeah. Matte finish. It just says Velvet. I think it 01. It doesn't really say a colour on it. I'm going to do my eyeliner and mascara, and I shall be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look, guys, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Alright guys, so I hope you'd enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!